Hi loves, welcome back. Today we are going to be learning moss stitch. I'll show you close up shortly because we're going to go through it. And basically there's 4 rows to the pattern. Quite a simple little stitch. Very nice weave. It's quite beautiful actually. Anyway, we'll get into that. And if you're digging my top, I'll show you better. It will be available as PDF pattern on my website very soon. Please remember to go over and check it out and subscribe for free and all of that sort of thing so you can find out when it's available. Alright, let's get into this tutorial. Today we're going to do moss stitch. This is what it looks like when it's made up, and there's actually 4 rows to the pattern, and this is the right side. We're actually going to start with row 1. And as you can see here, because I've already started, this is a purl, that's a knit. These little nodules indicate that's a purl stitch, and these smooth ones indicate that's a knit stitch. For row 1, we're going to do the reverse of that. That will be a knit one. And then in the knit stitch, it'll be a purl. Purl stitch is a knit, and the knit stitch is a purl, and we are going to repeat that all the way until the end of the row. Now row 2, we just turn the work and we do stay in line for row 2. You can see here that's a purl, and that smooth is a knit. The next nodule is a purl and a knit. We are going to do a purl and a knit. So this is row 2. Will be exactly the same as row 1 in terms of all purl stitches are purl, or knit stitches a knit. You can see looks like you're doing rib. We continue until the end of the row. Now we're up to row 3. You can see the pattern forming here. So now with this knit stitch and this purl stitch, knit, purl, we're going to do the opposite. So now for row 3, we're going to be starting with a purl, and then a knit, purl. See the bobble, the purl stitch? That becomes a knit. That knit stitch becomes a purl. And we're going to do that all the way till the end of the row. That's the end of row 3. Now we're going to turn to do row 4, and we're going to repeat the same process. All the knit stitches will knit, all the purl stitches will knit, and so on. We're starting with a knit stitch. Knit. See the 2 rows of knit, 2 rows of purl. And we'll just continue until the end of the row. And that is 4 rows completed of the pattern. So you can see how that pattern is forming. I do hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and that you will give moss stitch a go. Please tag me in your socials of what you have designed or knitted using this stitch. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that you let me know if you actually give this a go, how you like it. Show the right side. And tag me, Instagram, the things, and show me what you've used it on, what you've done with it. And thank you for being here. If you watched all the way to the end, yes, please like this video, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see you in the next video.